Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and as you can see, this device is taking photos right away after touching the shutter button. But in order to set the camera timer, then let's go to the settings. Now let's make sure that you're on a camera mode, and let's find the self timer. Let's tap on it. Okay, now it is disabled, but we can choose either 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Let's get back and let's touch the shutter button. And as you can see, now this device is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's turn off the self timer. Simply tap on self timer again and click on disabled. Now let's get it back, and as you can see, it is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.